Hey guys, just for a quick update, this computer has been off for a long time. It usually temporarily solves the problem when I leave it unplugged for a long period of time. Let's see what happened when I try to turn it back on. Right, open the cover, power switch. Alright, see what happened. Yeah, as you can see, it turns on. I don't know for how long because it has been going up and down for some reason. So after a while, it goes off. My dad said it lasts around 3 minutes, but I'm not sure. But in order for me, um, have it on, the hard power must be on for a long period of time. And it works. Yeah. Alright, when I try to hook up that monitor to this computer, shortly afterward when I shut off the computer, I can't turn it back on for some reason. And probably I'll show you in the last video, but I just turn the hard power switch on, and when I push power button, it gives a little bit of electric burst, like see the light blinking. Now it doesn't work anymore. It has been going up and down. I'll when I can, I'll look for another power supply, and yeah. So I'll let you know how's it goes. Alright.